Hello everybody, so today we're playing Among Us again. So today, if I'm crewmate, I can't, I can't click the emergency button. But if I'm the imposter, I can vent, but I can sabotage, just like the last one, but reverse, guys. Let's go, guys. We're purple. Why are we purple? At least give me red. There we go. I like red. There we go. Actually, I heard there's a like weird hack, like a weird glitch you can do in this game. So first thing you want to hold, like me, just hold left there. Oh my god. There we go, guys. So you hold left there and you will start right over here. If you're Among Us people is, or whatever you want to call that, if your Among Us people is in the right line, you can actually do that. That's so cool. Okay, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. I actually kind of hate that task because that takes so long. That takes so long to. Oh, okay, we already lost. Like, I'm not kidding. We're already lost. This is actually. I don't want to do this. There we go. Now let's go in the server. Okay, green. Come on, start already. If you don't start, someone is just going to leave this server. Like, I'm not kidding. Oh, there we go. There we go. Drummer please. I'm the crewmate. Yep, I knew it. We can click the emergency button. Just I don't really click the emergency button except I see someone vent. So I guess this time, okay, now let's just wait. I guess what? Okay, I don't even know what whoa, dude. No. Let's go to admin's car swipe, which is the easiest task I could ever think of. Oh, wait, what? Not today. Okay, not today. Okay, not today's luck is not that good, guys. Oh my gosh. So let's go to electrical, guys. Boom, there we go. Okay, never mind. Okay. Anyone? A reactory? I was in electrical. I didn't see anybody. Who is the imposter? Okay, never mind then. Let's play again. Oh man, why is there so little people in here? Let's just go in the server again. Wait, what? No. Ah, there we go. Red. Ah, someone's orange again. Whoa, we're literally flash. Oh my gosh. Oh, the cough. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? It's the best way to get your hands on the best way. No, wait, remember to do this glitch. We're crewmate, but who cares? Oh wait, what? Why do we spawn over here? Ah, man. Wait. Cafeteria, which I hate downloading. This is the worst task because you have nothing to do and need to wait so long. Actually, I actually have a fourth way to clear someone. It's actually in the shield thing. If you guys actually don't know. Why? Oh wait, I don't mean why, but where? Come on, come on, come on. I'm waiting. Come on, where is it? Yes. Whoa, 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 what? KS some people? Oh, I think they mean KC. Black? So it's either black. If this is not black, I think it's yellow. I don't know. Maybe a self-report? Nah, I don't even know. I can't even click. Oh, there we go. That was kind of weird. Goodbye, black. Oh. Yeah. It was black. Okay. It was black. Okay, how long has the video been? I think just 7 minutes. Oh my god. It was 6 minutes, so 2 more rounds or 1 more round. If this round is not fast, 1 more round. But if this round is very fast, then just 2 more rounds, okay? Come on. Start! Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Can I start? Yes. Yes, of course. It's literally 10 people. Why won't you start? Oh no, I didn't hold it. Oops, we can't teleport this time. So who cares? We're still here, but we're facing this way somehow. I guess we move just slightly. Let's go in electrical. Boom, there we go. And now let's go to communications. Oh my gosh, my worst enemy. Oh wait, someone died. Plunger. Wait, that's not called plunge. I mean, on his head, it's a plunger. But it's not how it's spelled, so. I am purple. You say it was purple. Ooh. Sino. Who's Sino? This white guy Sino? It's not called Sino. It's called Nasos. SOS? Oh, whoa. No one says with me. That's good. Because I'm not even an imposter. Oh. He was. She was, I guess. Since she's purple, I guess it was a she. I don't know, I mean, where is this? 5, 3, 7, 3, 1. There we go. Boom, that's what I'm talking about. Now we can do the car swipe. Too slow. Wait, this car swipe is actually not my day, dude. This is not my day. This is not my day. So car swipe done. We just need shield. Okay. Come on, finish this. Please don't report, guys. So actually, if you do this shield, that thing will that thing will actually light up. So if you do that, someone can clear you if they're near. There we go. Let's go to the last one. Upload data. Then we're done with all of the tasks. Great. There we go. 7, 3, 2, 1. Done. Boom. Task complete. Now. Oh my gosh. 8, 4, 7, 4. There we go. Let's go to the second one, guys. Why is someone still in security? That's a bit sus. go. And why was light blue standing on the fence? What? Hello, I am. Let's go to security, guys. Oh, wait. Admin is smarter to be. I think admin is smarter to be. Someone is at shield. Let me see. No, I think they just left. Yeah. Oh! Wait, what? What was that color? Was that orange, guys? Yep. I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. Oh my god. What kind of report? This is my worst day ever. Okay, I just report it. It was Cyan and he left. It was Cyan but he left. Oh. Wait, Cyan! Oh, no, oh. It is Cyan. I thought he left. Cyan, guys, trust me, Jess. Why am I so glitchy today? Wait, what? Hey, we win! How long has the video been? I think 10 minutes. Well, guys, I guess we're ending this video right here. So, guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. And I'll see you all in the next video.